Hey guys, so today I'm going to present yet another project that I made for Harvard CS50 Web and Programming course. This is Wikipedia website, which is a dynamic website that I created mainly using Django framework. And I'm going to present the results of what I've created with this video. So this is the main page or the index page of the website where all the pages that have yet been created are listed, along with a search bar where people can search and directly go to the web page that they want to. Create new page where they can create a new page and post it to the database, and a random page on which any given time when they click it, any random web page would show up. Okay, so talking about the entry page, whenever anyone wants to go to any given page, they can type wiki slash, for example, if we want to go to CSS, we will type wiki slash CSS and we will be taken to the web page of the CSS where CSS heading and CSS contents are present. For example, this as it is in Wikipedia website. If we directly click here, we would still be taken to similar page like when I clicked to Django, I was taken to wiki slash Django. So this was basically about the entry page. Apart from that, there is one search bar, as I said before, where user can directly write what page they want to go to. For example, if I write Django and if I type enter, I would be directly taken to the Django's web page where the text for Django or the results for Django are present. Okay, apart from that, there is one more thing which is create new page. So on create new page, the user can write title which should be of their page. And if I write something like Edmonton, which is the city where I live in, and if I type Go Oilers, for example, which is the ice hockey team present here, and if I click submit, a new page with name Edmonton should be created with a text of Go Oilers. So this page would also be present in the home page. If we get back here and if I just refresh this, a new page with Edmonton is created with the text Go Oilers. Further, I can edit it as well. So if I go here, and this web page is using Markdown language right now, like Wikipedia uses wiki text. So whenever a user creates or user wants to create a page, they will write the text in wiki text. In the same way here, the user will write the text in Markdown 2 language, and when they submit it, the database itself converted into HTML and the results are presented after that. So in that way, in Markdown, if you want to put a heading, you just put one hashtag and then you write Go Oilers. So if I try this, and if then I want to write something in paragraph, for example, Oilers is ice hockey team of Edmonton, and then if I click submit, so now the heading with Go Oilers is created and here is the content for that page which we edited. And if we again go back after this and if we click this, this is edited right now for the database. So that was for create new page, edit page, and the Markdown language information. Apart from that, the last thing which this website has is the random page, in which when anytime the user clicks it, from all the presented data on the database, anyone would pop up, like CSS popped up this time, and hopefully if we click it again, something different would show up like Yale. This page I created by my own. If we click again, now it's HTML. So same thing. So this was all. This is my project for Django that I created for Harvard CS50 Web and Programming course. Thank you.